Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin Cash. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that recently Bitcoin Cash has broken out a down channel on the daily time frame chart, and this was my last video that I shared a few hours ago with you. And now if you take a look at the live daily time frame chart, and you can see that after the breakout, the price is now retesting the previous resistance of the channel as a support. Previously, you can see that here when we broke out this channel and got rejected by this long-term resistance of $450. Then while retesting the previous resistance of the channel as support, the pricing could not save this level and re-enter the same channel. This time it is doing again the same retest of the previous resistance of the channel as a support. And if this retest will be successful, then we can expect that soon it can start another move to the upside. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this very massive breakout that has already happened on the 7-day time frame chart from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And now the pricing is also moving above this quite long-term uptrend line support as well that had been previously breaking at the resistance here. And now after the breakout, it is flipped into a support. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of July 2024. You can also visit that report as well. Now let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Bitcoin Cash that I shared in the previous month of July 2024 with my members on 17th of July 2024. And this was a harmonic bullish versus shark pattern that Bitcoin Cash formed on the 2-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade signal, the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price had nicely moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone here. And this was almost 11% pump on this 2-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video description you can find. Now let me take you to the live chart of Bitcoin Cash. And first of all, let me show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days, the price is moving inside this channel. You can see that how we got rejection here, bounce here, another rejection here, bounce here. This time we got another rejection and had a fake out from this channel. But after getting rejected by this resistance of $450, very long-term resistance, the price line was retesting the previous resistance of the channel as support, could not successfully retest the previous resistance of the channel as support and broke down this support and re-entered the same channel. And now again, after getting bound from this uptrend line support, a very long-term uptrend line support, and almost it reached this next support, you can see that we had a long spike up to the next support of point $270, and the price then geared up. And after stable ejections, finally we have once again broken out the resistance of the channel, and now the price then is once again retesting the previous resistance of the channel as support. In case of a successful retest, the pricing can start another move to the upside, and soon it can hit the target for the breakout from this channel. That will be here at the top of the channel, approximately at $700. And by the way, from $700 to $800, we have a very long-term resistance on. You can see that previously, and now we are switched to the 7-day time frame chart. You can see that previously this $700 to $800 level has been breaking other resistance here and support here, and resistance here, and last time it was breaking other resistance here. We got a very strong rejection after this very massive rally in the month of April 2024. Therefore, again, it can break other very strong resistance on. Now, if we take a look at the technical target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, that technical target is here at the top of the wedge, somewhere between $1,600 to $2,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.